Hi, I'm Marina. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my studio. If you're curious about cold wax painting or want to create art that stands out and is different, then you're at the right place. This channel is all about the art of cold wax painting, whether you're working with oils or acrylics. I share tips, techniques and inspiration to help you master textures, create beautiful layers and experiment with tools and substrates. It's perfect for beginners that just start their cold wax journey or more seasoned artists that look for fresh ideas and techniques. A bit more about me. I'm Marina and I'm passionate about painting with cold wax. First, I started out painting with cold wax and oils and I really absolutely loved the possibilities of it. But I had so many questions from acrylic painters that I discovered a new medium called powerwax, which you can mix in your acrylics and you can almost get the same effects as with the oils and the cold wax. I love how painting with cold wax opens up an endless way of possibilities, and I'm here to guide you step by step through the process, whether you're a painter in oils or a painter in acrylics or both. On this channel, you'll find step-by-step tutorials, helpful tips and creative exercises to help you develop your skills and discover your own unique style. I post new videos every 2 weeks, covering everything from layering and blending techniques, the cold wax for oils versus the cold wax for acrylics, common mistakes and how to fix them, and so much more. So if you're ready to dive in the world of cold wax painting, hit that subscribe button. Let's create art, explore new techniques and build a community of passionate cold wax artists together. I can't wait to see what you create in cold wax. So subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and I will see you in the next video.